Welcome to Bearding with Barbers. I'm Jason Schneidman, the men's groomer, and I've been doing hair since 1984. I grew up here in Southern California, and today I'm going to show you how to style and trim your beard. So this thing is out of control right now. It's been a while, and I'm going to start by using King C Gillette products all across the board. I'm gonna do everything. I'm gonna start with the beard wash here. So I'm gonna grab a little bit of beard wash, get in there, put it on my dry beard. Grab some water, pour some water in there. It smells incredible. All clean and ready to go. Take this hair tie and get this hair back. Okay, now it's time to get into the bulk of this disaster right now. Like, it is Abe Lincoln. It is out of control. I'm gonna grab the King C Gillette Braun beard trimmer, and there's 3 different comb sizes on this. So you can get your beard to the desired length that you like. I'm gonna start with the biggest one to make sure I don't take my beard off. And I'm gonna go in and just pull straight down. And it's not cutting much, but I really like my beard long right now, so that's why I'm starting with the biggest attachment. And then I'm gonna pull it down just a tad and see what it does there. Now it's starting to cut a little bit. You can hear it cutting a little bit. Now I'm gonna take the guard off completely, and I'm gonna do some freestyle and just get rid of anything that's way out there, like these corners. So I just come in and just freestyle that corner, hit that corner there. See, it's already starting to come together. Now this is a strong move. So when you trim beards, you don't want to follow the chin line. That's just too high. So it took me years to figure this out. You want to come in straight at the chin, underneath with the beard trimmer, and come straight. That's your first line, right there. Then you turn sideways and you follow that line straight across. And then the third line is connecting this to that line like a big L. And that's basically it. Come to the other side and look at yourself right there at your profile. See how it's dropping down right there a little bit? Got that straight line, straight across. Come straight down here. And if you do it right, when you're done looking at it, it's almost like a U shape underneath. It's important to keep these corners and round them off a little bit so they're not so fake. I like it natural a bit. Got that all dialed in. You can look at it again, see where you need a little tweak. I'm seeing a little spot here. This beard trimmer blades are so sharp, and they actually last a lifetime. The other good thing is you can just rinse this underwater. So this thing works killer. Okay, I'm digging this. I got the shape of my beard that I like. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use some transparent shave gel, and I'm gonna put this around the edges, which is great because it's transparent. So you get to see your line that you set with your beard trimmer. So now I'm gonna follow up with the King C Gillette Shave and Edger. So this thing's killer. It's got 5 blades and it's got an edger on the back. So I shave everything above the beard line that I set, getting rid of all those little hairs. And then the same thing for underneath. Staying away from the beard line, because I'm gonna follow up with the other side of the blade. There's a little straight razor edger on the back, and that's when I'll come in right here and I'll just fine tune. That line is set with the King C Braun beard trimmer. Okay, so I got my beard all trimmed up, and now it's time for the soft beard balm. This stuff's light and creamy. It allows you to get it through the hair easily. It's not like those other waxy brands. And I like to use it as a leave-in, although you can put it on as a mask and rinse it off. It's basically hair conditioner technology mixed with plant-based shea butter, argan oil, and cocoa butter. This is the bomb. All right, so taught you how to clean up the stash with the comb and the beard trimmer. We edged the lines. I think it turned out pretty good. Thank you guys for watching Bearding with Barbers. Hopefully I got you a little bit closer to mastering your style. Peace.